Good morning children. Welcome to online class. In the previous class we studied about the A sound words. Okay. Those are cat, bat, fan, man, mat. Okay. Today we studied about the E sound. Okay. The next letter E. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Okay. Previous class, the A sound words we already learnt. Okay. The next letter, the E sound. Okay. In that, one letter E is there. No, we are going to learn from words related to E. Then we are calling the E sound words. In all letters, E is there. No, that's why we are calling them E sound words. Okay. We can read loud by using the letters. Okay. Come, let's start. Look at the pictures and say aloud. Okay. L-E-G, leg. B-E-D, bed. P-E-N, pen. H-E-N, hen. B-E-L-L, bell. Okay. Read aloud these words that have the E sound. Okay. R-E-D, red. Leg. Pen. Net. Tell. Bed. Beg. Den. Bet. Bell. Wed. Peg. Ten. Set. Fell. Fed. Egg. Hen. Jet. Cell. Okay. Read aloud and you have to practice the spellings in 4-line book. I will give you worksheet related to that. Okay. Bye-bye.